everybody. How you doing? Well, it looks like we got a weather window on this coming Saturday morning. So kind of a renewed push to get the boat ready so we can take advantage of the weather window. How's it going, Eamon, there?
Saturday work day. We're getting a lot done.
Yeah, that's good, man. The boat looks like a mess, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a good mess, though.
Yeah, it's a good mess organizing. In order to organize, first it's got to break things down, right? One of the regular maintenance items on a sailboat for your diesel engine is to change the all-important water impeller. They say, every 6 months, or depending on how much traveling you're doing. And since we're about to head for a pretty long trip, hundreds of miles, it's time to change the water impeller. For those of you who are wondering what happens if you don't change the water impeller, check out this episode from when we first got the boat before we learned the hard way about the importance of maintaining your water impeller.
Hey, Ben, I have something for you.
All right, hold on. What is it? Something to eat, I hope.
Hot, brown, and plenty of it.
Let's see what we got here. All right, hold on. What did you make for me? Looks like beans and rice. You got anything hot? How about that hot sauce? Give me a bunch of hot sauce. Oh, good. Here's the good stuff, yeah. Oh, let's see. What do we got to drink?
Your favorite.
Cold beer?
Exactly. Cold soda.
Cream soda, okay, hold on. Thank you. What are you eating?
Cold chicken.
Cold chicken. Chicken of the sea?
Nope, just land chicken.
Land chicken. Land chicken and beans and rice. Living the life. The yachting lifestyle is so glamorous. I wonder what's for dinner tonight. Maybe some sea trout with asparagus and potato risotto. Or maybe some gin-cured trout with citrus dressing. How about some fresh mango salad? And then for dessert, maybe some chocolate eclair cake. Ooh, I hope we have that. What do we have for dinner, Ann?
Well, behind door one, we could have these.
Okay, I can't see them.
Cup of noodles.
Okay, cup of noodles. All right.
And then, or we have another choice. We could have these.
What are they?
They're chicken, cup of noodles.
Cup of noodles. So that's our choice. Cup of noodles or a cup of noodles.
So which one do you want?
We're really living the life, the cruising lifestyle. I guess I'll take what's in your left hand.
Okay, he wants left-sided.
Left-sided.
Cup of noodles.
Yeah, the boat really looks really messy. We are getting a lot of work done. Oh, the V-berth though looks good. See, I don't know if you can see it from here. We're getting there, little by little.
This looks new. I wonder what this was to.
That looks like what Jeff gave us.
Oh, you think? Because of how these are shaped. This is actually narrower here than here. So as this panel moves forward, it can't come out this way. Same with there. That widest end is at the bottom. There's nowhere for it to go forward. I think the solution is just I have to wedge this forward and then just drop the insulation behind it and then just screw it back on. I can't take the whole panel out. I don't know how they actually got the whole panel in, and it may have been before they got the cabinetry in. That's the only thing I can think of, because the cabinetry pretty much boxes it in. But see how it's bending there?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna crack.
See how it gets...
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Right, and that's already was like that, but pull towards me.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. No, let's just put the insulation down behind there. All insulated and ready to go. The view berth's done. Our bedroom's done. Now we just have all this whole area to get done and reorganized. And alrighty.